you guys going crazy yet? I'm going crazy. It's only been 4 days. I've been trying to record a video for about an hour now, and my cat has been running around like a crazy person. Kata! We're just gonna have to go for it. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you guys doing today? Hope that everything's going well. I hope that things have been good at home. Thank you so much for the pictures that you guys have been sending me. If you haven't sent me any photos yet, I'm talking to like the 4 or 5 of you still out there. Please send me something. I would love to see what's going on with you guys, especially if you haven't sent me a picture yet for for that wow picture and sending me those 3 things that you noticed and the 3 things that you wondered about. I would really like to see those pictures yet. So please send them my way. I'd love to see them. Also, tomorrow is going to be breakfast together, but she's driving me crazy. Tomorrow's going to be breakfast together, but apart day, if that makes sense. So we're going to make some oatmeal. Those of you that can, that sounds awesome. If you can't, don't worry about it. Like I said, it's all good. If you are wanting to participate, later today I'm going to upload another video that includes a recipe in the description, and it's also going to be a video of me actually making the oatmeal so that you know exactly what to do. You can follow along. I was thinking around 8 a.m. tomorrow we could make breakfast together. And then after you've done, because oatmeal you get to add your own toppings, you get to kind of make it whatever you want, send me some pictures of what it is that you created. Again, I don't get to see you guys. So when you send me pictures or send me videos or send me a quick email that just says, hey, Mr. Joyner, how are things going with you? That's my way of getting to see you. You guys get to see me every day. I still want to see more of you guys. So yeah, send me a few pictures of your oatmeal. Send me those wow pictures. Send me pictures of you playing Mario Kart. At this point, I don't care. I just want to see you. I want to know that you guys are doing okay. So please send me something. Let me know what's going on in your lives. This video is going to be pretty short and sweet because we're kind of just continuing with what we have been doing over the past number of days. There are 3 goals today. Only 3. 3 things. That's it. Nothing else. Number 1, writing. We have now created an idea web, written a first draft, and we've already started to work on revising and editing that first draft into something else. Go ahead and continue to do that. If you're done, if you've made all the edits and the revisions that you are going to do, and it's the best piece of writing that you can put together, go ahead and post it on the blog or email it my way. I'm not going to check the blog until tomorrow afternoon to give everyone time to make sure that their writing is finished, but I would love to see what you've come up with. And because it's about how you're feeling and how you're coping with everything that's going on, you do have the option to email it to me instead of posting it publicly on the blog. So feel free to send that email my way if that's what you would prefer to do. If you're still looking for things that you can do to edit and revise, remember, number 1, add a little bit more detail to each sentence. That's one way of making your writing better. Look for adjectives and verbs that you can add to it. Answer the 5 W questions: who, what, when, where, why, and use your 5 senses to add on to your ideas and to take your piece of writing and to expand on it to make it even greater than it was yesterday or the day before. Number 2, reading. It's not going to change. Read to yourself, read to a sibling, read to a parent, read to a pet. I don't care. Read. Read. This is how I know I'm going crazy. The longer that this goes, the stranger and stranger these videos are going to get. Anyway, back to reality. Number 3, math. There are 4 more problems that I sent your way. Your parents got the email with all 4 problems, just like the other day. There's easy, medium, hard, and then the bonus one. Start with easy, work your way through them. When it gets too challenging, take a break, take a step back. But just remember, every single one of the math challenges that I'm sending to you are math challenges that I know you can figure out. If you need some help, ask for some help, but I know that you're able to do it. And if you do have questions, send them my way. I know a couple of people asked me, they weren't quite sure how to solve a couple of them. And so they asked some questions and I was able to help them. So if you're stuck on something, please let me know and I'll do my best to help you. That's it. You've got it. You've finished today's goals. That's all that we're doing today. And just as an FYI, tomorrow, I'm not adding anything new. Tomorrow is just going to be, if you haven't finished your writing, make sure it gets done. If you haven't finished anything else that we worked on this week, please make sure that that gets done. So that way tomorrow, like the only school thing that we're going to do is aside from finishing things up, is make oatmeal together. That sounds like fun. I'm looking forward to it. One more quick reminder, if you haven't done so yet, please send me some photos, especially photos related to the wow thing that you saw when you've gone for walks, with the 3 things that you are wondering about and the 3 things that you notice about that one object. That's all for today. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, take care of your family, be healthy, be well, have a great day. One more day until spring break. What are you guys doing for spring break? Again, let me know. I'd love to know. I mean, I kind of know. We're all going to be home. But what are you going to do at home? Have a great day, boys and girls.